Hello everyone, I'm Camila. Today I'll be answering the question, why do Koreans say the expression 감기 조심하세요? Great question! This expression means be careful of the cold or be careful not to catch a cold. People exchange greeting using 감기 조심하세요 in the cold season. You will often hear this expression during fall and winter season in Korea because people tend to catch a cold during this time of the year. You will also see it at the bottom of emails. It's a way to showing care and concern for someone else. A similar expression is 건강하세요, which means be healthy. If you are interested in learning more about Korean language and culture, we discuss topics like this in our members area every day. Find out more and get a free lesson at 90daykorean.com. 감기 조심하세요.